Authorize too few shares when you form your company, and a year from now, you're begging hundreds of shareholders for permission to issue more. Your AI advisor won't warn you. I'm Tony Materna, 32 years pitching investors. Do you know the difference between authorized and issued shares? Because an investor will ask. Here's a pitch deck pro tip. Authorized shares are the most shares your company can give itself permission to issue. The rule: make that ceiling so high you never have to go back and raise it. Check your state. In California, the number is basically free. Make it 100 million, a billion, 10 billion, whatever. In Delaware, you're taxed on authorized shares, but a par value workaround keeps that tax small. Set the ceiling high enough to run multiple financing rounds without ever hitting it. Miss this, and you'll be chasing down dozens, maybe hundreds of shareholders for reauthorization. It can become a nightmare. Second pro tip. Right after incorporating your company, issue shares in this order. You, the founder, get 10 or 20 million shares of common. Then your team, proportional to their present and perceived future value. Then a pool of shares for future hires. Keep this first total of issued shares at under 10% of the number of authorized shares. Now you're set up for years of fundraising with shares to spare. No AI will tell you this because no AI has ever had to beg its shareholders for permission to issue more shares. For more pro tips like this, see me at pitchdeckteardown.com.